another question. I don't see more questions from the.
Go ahead.
Okay. So if we see that a person came with a lot of talents in this incarnation, can we derive from this that this person has to fix a lot of things and therefore he has a lot of abilities in order to do that?
A lot of things because he has a lot of it.
A lot of talents.
Talents, so meaning that the talents, so if I understand your question correctly, so talents means tools, and the person is given so many tools because he or she has many things to fix. I mean, maybe yes, maybe no. It's hard to say. So for sure, if person is limited in their abilities, right? Like somebody like born sick, especially, right? So person is very limited to his abilities. So HaShem did it, of course, because this person must fix only a few things that he came. But other person who has many talents, maybe yes, maybe you're right. Maybe he came or she came to fix many things, right? But how do you know which things to fix? So you have actually tried to narrow down. So whatever things are very hard for that person, that's his tikkun. That's what he must or she must fix, right? So I personally know a few things that my personal mission in this life, right? And those things maybe like for other people would be laughable, but for me it's so hard. It's unbelievable. It's unbelievable, right, to do. And I'm trying, and sometimes I miss. Unfortunately, this month I did not miss, but at least one of them. Right. So whatever is hard for you, that's why you're here. And talents are tools to advance your cause, whatever, like the reason why you came here.
Thank you very much, Rabbi.
Yes, you're welcome.